1 year and 3 days, but who's counting? We're here, sitting here right now in Las Vegas. We're sitting here with my buddy William, who sold us this beautiful box, this Life GemLightbox that's been absolutely done wonders for our business, and actually we're doing well for many businesses. You're doing really great on Instagram, and we're really proud of you. Today you introduced me to the turntable, and you put the app on my phone, and it's like I got a whole new machine to work with now. And we're so excited, it's like, this is our takeaway. This is why we came to Las Vegas. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for some wonderful little additions to what we're gonna do in our store for our own customers.
I'm here at the JA New York Jewelry Show, and I've been dying to learn about this GemBox, the GemLightbox. I went online and I researched it, and I thought that was the solution. But I didn't believe the stories, how great it was from the online advertising. So I came to the show and they did a demonstration for me. And I have to tell you, it is 100% true. Absolutely. And I bought one and I'm so happy. I'm taking it home right now. I'm going to start taking pictures for my store. Quality for the pictures is amazing. The ease of taking the pictures is amazing. I can definitely teach anyone in my store to take before and after pictures of any jewelry without even them ever having to be a photographer. Thank you, GemLightbox, because it's going to open a world of difference for me. I'll be able to make a lot of money on social media, and I won't have to hire a photographer to do any shoots. I can do it myself. So I love you.
I think it's terrific. It seems like it's going to make our photography like so much easier. We're going to be able to do a lot more in a shorter period of time, and I'm super excited about it.
Hi, I'm Joanne from Legacy Findings, and I've been using the GemLightbox for about 6 months, and I've found it to be so easy to use, and the images are great. So I'm really happy with it. And now my customers that come into the office are always asking where I got it. So thank you.
I love it. I like the simplicity of it, that you can photograph from the top, which is awesome. And then you can photograph from here. Another thing that I think I liked the best about it was the phone option. The phone app was genius, right? Because as small business owners, we have limited resources usually, but then you're still trying to compete in an competitive world in the internet and Facebook and Instagram. The viewer wants quality, especially almost look like a professional photographer, even though we're not. I just thought for $1,300, it solved a lot of issues all in one. The lighting's perfect, the whiteness of it is perfect, the quickness of the app, just really user-friendly. I don't have to buy a professional camera. Everything's on my phone. I can upload, Dropbox, or AirDrop any of the photos. I also liked the customer service with it, and that all the questions were answered. I've been looking for a white box for probably 5 years. I want to thank y'all for coming all the way from Australia, all the way to New York. And I'm glad I came to New York because I'm from New Orleans, and I don't think I would have got the demonstration or the demo from Marius without it. Thank y'all.
Well, so far we've used it for the last couple of weeks, and we're very excited. I mean, the images are magnificent. We're very happy with the outcome. We've been using them on Facebook and on Instagram. We've gotten some good feedback. Hopefully we can get very creative with this box and bring up our sales.
Awesome.
And that's the target. That's what we want.
I think it's the nicest. I used to have light boxes. Nowhere as good as the pictures that I get with this box. It's amazing. A must-have for being a wholesaler or retailer.
It has increased sales. We get so many positive likes, feedback, comments on social media. It has tremendously helped with our advertising. It has made print advertising so much easier. And for anybody that says they're not tech savvy or can't use a phone, this is very, very easy to use, and you make incredible photos.
I came here last year, looked at the whole product, thought it was a great thing, saw it again up in Las Vegas, thought it was a great thing, came down here today and said, I think I have to have one of these. So I finally just said, I'm gonna do it. I got it with the turntable on the top, the pendants, and there you go. I'm gonna take it home with me use it the very first day when I get home.
I love that it's super easy to use. You know, you don't need to know a lot about jewelry to take quality pictures, which is really good. And it's quick to set up, doesn't take a long time, and then, you know, it's beneficial for our customers to see jewelry pieces like in its actual form, as opposed to when you kind of just take it out in the regular world and it has like, you know, the difference in the lights and all that stuff. Like it's a quality picture. To definitely order it as soon as possible, just because it's, you know, I've done a lot of research, and this is one of the few that it takes quality pictures, it's not hard to use, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So it's like right there, you know, it's definitely worth the investment.
I love it, and then as soon as you brought it into our booth and we put our jewelry in there and started taking pictures, we knew we had to get it for our company, for the program. It's excellent. You were very, very helpful, and you explained everything perfectly and comfortably. That made us really want to purchase the product today on site.
I thought it was really good. It was so good. I thought it was like a couch freshness. It's like no juddering, like can't see any blemishes. I think it's like really nice background. No like editing needed. So yeah, really good. Really impressed with it. Usually emeralds come out really flat. This was really bright and fiery. There's light in it, so yeah, really good.
Well, we designed all our stuff from scratch right here in store. So we've got a wide range of different pendants, you know, and we keep updated with the trends, and we also set our own, so we're a step above the rest. Yeah, it's all good, man. Yeah. Nice and clear, nice true colour. I like the sparkle too.
Sparkles are good, right?
Yeah, it's all good, it's all good. Yeah. Oh, we also had to outsource a lot of the work. Right now, as soon as you make a piece, you can have it done on the net and on Instagram, or any social media immediately. The waiting time's cut down, the cost is cut down, definitely makes up for the money spent on it. Definitely say get it as soon as possible, and really easy to use. Anyone could use this Lightbox, and that is the beauty of it.
Never had anything like this. It's so amazing. In my store, I'm in business since 1984. I've been taking pictures now on the internet for the last 10 to 15 years, and I can never get it like this. My customers have started calling me the minute I started using the GemLightbox. I've increased my business in the last week by 3 stones. I suggest you run out and buy one. I was taking my photographs, well, with a professional photographer that would pay $20 to $50 a shot. These come out, if not better, quicker, and for less money. And then I would take it on my iPhone with my ugly fingers. Everyone would see my fingers. It didn't look that great.
GemLightbox has been amazing. We're able to promote our company and show off our thousands of different wedding band designs, specialised to our customers, even with custom jewellery as well. We're guaranteed to give you the best deals.
Oh my gosh, we use it, I probably use it every day. That's just kind of the new thing we use to post on Instagram, Facebook, send to our website. We use it for everything, actually. So.
It's a really nice, seamless way to get 360 degrees of merchandise ready for our website, and also taking inventory pictures. So it achieves both of that, and the light is really bright. It's not too much manipulation of the background when we do the retouching, because we can really pump out the white background.
I think it's a great product, and we love it here. It's what the doctor ordered. It's just big enough, and the pictures and the videos are coming out perfect to our liking, so we really love the product.
So far using the GemLightbox, I've been very impressed. It really brings our photography 95% of the way, and then we just have to do a few simple touch-ups to get the website ready, which is a huge time saver for our business.
I'm Alex Corolli from Alcoro. I can really recommend this GemLightbox to you. We use it for our videos in the company. We upload them directly to our website. It's fantastic quality. You can use it very easily. It's a really well done gadget. I only can recommend it to you. Use it, buy it. It's great.
First of all, preceding my purchase, the reputation of the company was exemplary. Wow. And then I ordered it, organized, it came on time, opened it up, and I put it together, and it was working right out of the box. I walked over to the booth during the show, and I learned today what I need to do. So the support here is exemplary, again, extraordinary. So I'm happy that I bought the Pickup Media Lightbox.
I'm from Amipi, and this is really very good, and this is good for the jewelry and the diamond, and I'm looking forward the next generation when they will give us like with infusions.
Yes.
So I really appreciate that. Thank you.
The reason I came in today is I've got your system, but when I realized that I wasn't getting the stuff right and you guys offered the tutorial here, I immediately signed up. In just a few minutes, you can see by what the results are. This is a Munchsteiner cut aquamarine. That's a white and yellow gold ring, and you can see it shows the color definition of the metals. Very clean, very clear. And then look at the way the stone is cut. The fact that it picks up all of the idiosyncrasies that cut, all the inversions and what have you. That's going to be one of the toughest pieces to shoot. And if it looks that good, the rest of the stuff is going to be great. I'm really impressed with your system. This is going to be a wonderful tool.
I'm so excited about my new GemLightbox. Can't wait to use it. Thank you for all your assistance.
Oh, it's amazing. It takes amazing photos. We've been able to not have to send them out for editing. I can do that at the store. We've used a 360 turntable for our custom jobs, so we can make like a folder and portfolio for those for our customers. And it's just streamlined the photo process in general. It's amazing.